Okay, IM2 students, remember again, as I've said, in IM2 we're not going to do a lot with functions, but there is some basic things I need to cover so that you're ready for your future math classes, okay? IM3, trig pre-calc. But let's get going here. So in functions, guys, we're basically going to do three things. We're going to learn to add them, we're going to learn to subtract them, we're going to learn to multiply them. Generally, divide is reserved for the upper level math classes. So anyways, look at number 9 from our blue worksheet we got recently. And you'll notice, basically, it says, if you follow the red, hey, what's G plus f of t? So what does that plus tell me to do? It literally tells me that I'm going to take the G right there, which is t squared plus 4, and I'm going to add it with the f of t, which is t plus 4. So once we do our basic math here, guys, we will have g plus f of t. So let's go ahead and do it. I have a t squared. There's nothing else to combine it with. I have a 4 and another 4, which makes 8, and I have a t. So if I put them in order, I'm going to have t squared plus t plus 8. And this right here, guys, is g plus f of t. Okay, that's what that is right there. It's that simple. When they say plus, just plus them together. Pause the video if you need to. Okay, so let's look at number 10. Notice this one says f minus g of n. By the way, again, get used to different variables as you deal with functions, different names, different variables. But anyways, what does f minus g of n mean? It literally means we're going to take that f there. So we're going to have negative 2n plus 5. And we're going to minus the g. Now be careful, guys. Remember, with subtraction, you have to do the distributive property. So there's our initial setup here. So I will have to do some distributive property over here. So what I have is negative 2n plus 5 minus n squared minus the 2. Don't forget to distribute the minus. Now it's just a matter, I'm just going to put them in order and combine like terms. I notice I have a minus n squared. I have a minus 2n. I have 5 minus 2, which is 3. So negative n squared minus 2n plus 3 is f minus g of n. It's that simple, guys. When it says plus, you plus them. When it says minus, you minus them. Please, with minus, remember to distribute. Pause the video if you need to. Okay, and the final one we have to deal with, guys, is notice this one has that little dot, which we should know means multiply. And so we're literally going to multiply them together. I have here x squared minus 3. And I have right here negative x minus 4. And guys, I'm going to use the FOIL method, box method, or what I just call the distributive property. Here we go. I know x squared times negative x, be careful with your negatives, is negative x cubed. X squared times negative 4 is negative 4x squared. Negative 3x times negative x is a positive 3x. And negative 3 times negative 4 is plus 12. If you look, there's nothing to simplify or combine in this case, which rarely happens, but it does. And so that right there, guys, is my h times g of x. And so, guys, hopefully this video helps you out. I'll see you in the classroom.